So if you're looking for the best screen mirroring software in the world, which has low latency around 35 to 70 milliseconds, great performance with up to 60 FPS, mirroring the screen with maximum quality 1080p or above, low startup time, super light application, and you don't want to install any application for your smartphone, control your smartphone using a computer wired or wirelessly, and the best thing is you can get all these premium features absolutely free. So if you're looking this kind of screen mirroring software, you came to the right place and watching the right video. So no more talking, let's do it. So do you want to know what is that awesome software called? It is SCRCPY. Yep, it takes some time to say, therefore we can call it Screen Copy. Screen Copy is a free and open source screen mirroring application that allows control of an Android device from a Windows, macOS or Linux desktop computer. The software is currently developed by Genie Mobile, which also develops Genie Motion and Android emulator. Then let's see how to download it, install it, and how to use it. So firstly, let's go to the Google Chrome and search SCRCPY, click enter, and go to the first link of the search results. So after that, scroll down to the bottom and there is a tab for Windows. Here is it, and just click this SCRCPY WinRAR64 version 1.19.zip file and it will be automatically start to download. Okay, it is just 25.3 MB. Just download it. So after the download, you can see your zip file like this, and then create a new file and name it as SCRCPY. Cut this and paste it in here. Right click and extract here. So after that, you don't want any more this zip file, just delete it. So after that, just cut this file and paste it in your operating system drive. So my operating system is located in the C drive, so I'm going to paste it in the C drive. So after that, you want to go to your Android device. So now go to your Android device and we want to enable the developer option. Go to the settings and go to the about phone and click your MIUI version. So I don't want to do that because I'm already a developer. So after that, back and search developer option, developer options. Okay, here is it, and scroll down to the bottom and you want to turn on this USB debugging and USB debugging security settings. That's all you want to do, and close the tab. Now you want to connect both devices through a data cable, plug it to a computer and to a smartphone. So then you can run a screen copy. So follow my steps. Just open the screen copy file and copy the address link and search for CMD and run it as administrator. Yes. Now you're gonna do type cd and paste the location of the screen copy file. Just paste it. Okay, now hit enter. Now all you want to type SCRCPY, that's all. Hit enter. Okay, now you can see it's perfectly working and you can see my device screen. So that's it. So let's talk about the greatest and useful hidden options in screen copy. So the first one is to reduce size. So if you want more performance, you can mirror your device at a lower definition to increase performance. To limit width and height to some value, you can do this. Just type CRCPY space dash dash max dash size space 1024, whatever size you want. If you type 1024, a device in 1920 into 1080 will be mirrored at 1024 into 567. So second one is changing the bitrate. So the default bitrate is 8 Mbps. So if you want to change the bitrate into 2 Mbps, just type this strcpy space dash dash bit dash rate space to M and click enter. So third one is limit the frame rate. So if you want to limit the capture frame rate into 15 fps, just type strcpy space dash dash max dash fps space 15 or what frame rate you want. So this is officially supported since Android 10 but may work on earlier versions. So fourth one is recording. Yes, you can record while screen mirroring using this command. Just type strcpy space dash dash record whatever name you want .mp4. If you want an mkv file, just remove the mp4 part and type .mkv, that's all. So let's see where is the recorded file. The recorded file is always in the screen copy file. You can find it so easily. So if you don't want a preview, you just only want a record your screen, so run this command strcpy space dash dash no dash display space dash dash filename .mp4. As you can see, there is no preview while mirroring, but the recording is still progress in the background. If I close the tab and go to the screen copy file, you can see the recorded file. So the best thing is use of this inbuilt recording system. All skipped frames are recorded even if they are not displayed in real time because of some performance reasons. Frames are time-stamped on the device, so packet delay variation does not impact the recorded file. Therefore, I always recommended to use this method to record your video file. Fifth one is buffer. To do that, just run this command strcpy space dash dash display dash buffer equal 50 or whatever millisecond you want to buffer and hit enter. This feature is available in the latest screen copy version. If your preview is jittering and not working smoothly, or if you don't want a real-time mirroring, only thing you want a smooth playback, this latest buffering feature is always useful. Yes, it is possible to add buffering and this will increase the latency, but it will reduce jitter, laggy mirroring. Increase the latency and you can get a better playback. Another useful feature is always on top mode. So if you want to mirror your screen always in top, you can use this code. Type screen copy space dash dash always dash on dash top and hit enter. So guys, take some seconds to subscribe and like the video. So let's go to the shortcuts. You can do all these things, all these shortcuts without closing the mirroring window. So first one is full screen mode. Just click Alt plus F, you can switch to the full screen. Second one is you can rotate the window using Alt plus arrow keys, right or left. So if you want to click the home button in the screen, just click Alt plus H. If you want to click the back button, just click Alt plus backspace. To go to the recent tabs, just click Alt plus S. If it doesn't work, click the Alt plus M, the both do the same thing. So if you want to control volume records, just click Alt plus arrow up and down. You can control the volume rocker. So to turn off your screen while mirroring, but mirroring is still progress in the background, just click Alt plus O. To rotate your phone, use this key. Now you don't want to rotate your phone and put your phone in a landscape, just click Alt plus R and you can rotate your phone very easily. To go to the notification panel, click Alt plus N and roll back notification panel again, just click Alt Shift plus N. I know you cannot remember all of these things, therefore just remember this little code. Just type strcpy-h, hit for ask help and click enter. Then you can get all of these super shortcuts and these super options in this list. So this is the full list of shortcuts and options of screen copy. If you read this once, you will learn all of these options and shortcuts. So let me show you some of my favorite shortcuts and options. So the first one is this window borderless feature. So let me show it. Just copy this, Ctrl C and type strcpy and paste it, Ctrl V and hit enter. And you can see there is no border, but the only disadvantage is you cannot move these using that bar because there isn't a bar. So if you want to locate this screen in a certain position, you must use this Windows X value and the Windows Y value as a combination to position your screen. So the next one is, so if you're not interested in your device name, you can use this window title text. Let me show you. So firstly, copy that part and go to type CPY and paste it, and let's delete the text part because it will be the window border name. So let's set it to Apple 15 Pro, something like that, and hit enter, and you can see my window name is Apple 15 Pro. You can set this to any name, that's your choice. So my most favorite shortcut is this one, Alt+I. Just it is print the frame rate in the log section. You just want to hit this screen and click Alt+I, and it will be start to count FPS, and you can see FPS is printing on this log. So this is too hard to type. Always copy your device location and type strcpy. So let's make this so easier. Just close the tab and search for environmental variables. Here is it. Edit the system environmental variable and go to the environment variables and scroll down to the bottom, and you can see the path. Here is it, and click edit and click the new one and paste your address in here and click OK and OK and OK. So if we go to the command prompt again, run as administrator, now all you want to type is just strcpy, and you can see my device is showing and it's perfectly working, and it is too easy. You just want to open the command prompt in the administrator and just type strcpy. That's all you want to do. But there is a little problem. If you add a screen copy path to environment variable, and if you use built-in screen recorder, the recorded file will be saved in the System32 folder. You can get those recorded video file from the System32 file, but it will make a trouble if you accidentally delete any file in it. It will cause the corruption of your Windows OS, so if you're not willing to record using the inbuilt screen recorder screen copy, just go ahead and add the path to environment variable. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any question, leave a comment in the comment section. So the next video will be how to get sounds for screen copy. You will learn how to get sounds for screen copy using any version of Android. Therefore subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get a quick notification when I upload the video. So I'm Kerry, have a good day, let's meet in the next one, keep updating, catch you later.